Just a quick video on Father's Day to show you the state of the Tulsa station. I've added 6 of these, the Just Plug lights on each side. I've got all the sidewalks down. Stand up, show you the roof. I mean, it's got to be weathered, so that's something that still needs to be done. And this is, I would assume, I call it the eastern side. It's a little different arrangement. This one also has the 6 lights on it. The hardest part of doing any kind of lighting is the routing of the wires, and I got to think that through a bit. So, but anyway, this is what the other side of the station looks like, and I'm going just by some of the photos I've seen of it, just to give you an idea. And this would be kind of what it looks like. But it's still got a lot of work to do, but this is just to show you the status of it for now. And I still have to, I've got enough other railings for the outside and some on the inside. I still got to do some detailed measurements for the concrete railings and then print them out. But I'm not going to put those on until I figure out what I'm doing with the lighting. Right now, nothing is glued together other than the first floor and the second floor. This is not glued down. All the simulated concrete is just sitting there in place and kind of holds the building in place where it needs to be. But like I said, it still needs a lot of weathering, and especially the roads, which look like they're brand new paved. But anyway, I wanted to just show you, I've been working on this all week. This would be the back side of it. And you can see some of the Just Plug lighting components, and there's some more stuff. This is just for a test. And I'm considering putting a couple of their, these are the LED stick-on lights. I might put put one downstairs and one up on the second floor, but that all remains to be seen. This side is different than the other. If you want to talk about the roads, the pictures I have show this just as kind of parking out in here. People just parking all over the place, and some taxis up in here. Whereas this side has the loop probably for buses, or it could be for cabs. But anyway, that's what the status of it right now. Like I say, I still got some more work to do. But anyway, happy Father's Day to everybody. Bye.